our event here will be the Catapult, and it shoots pretty well. So it doesn't look like much, but if you get a marshmallow, it'll actually shoot far. So you just hold it back, shoot. It went up to the ceiling. So that's what we're going to make today. In order to make the Catapult, you're going to need 5 popsicle sticks, a plastic spoon, 1 marshmallow in order to shoot. You can give them more. And we also need 6 rubber bands. What's very important about the rubber bands is that you have to stretch them before you use them, just like this. So you want to go around it 5 times, and then that's a good rubber band. And then you can use all of that in order to make the Catapult. Our first step will be to take 3 popsicle sticks, line them up, and get 2 rubber bands here. You're going to wrap around each side. So it will be like that. And then we go to the other side, do the exact same thing. This is a short activity, but they will be competing, so that is something that will take up time. That is the first piece. Next, you will need to get another rubber band and the last 2 popsicle sticks. And you just want to put it at one end, and don't make it too tight. Just make it like, see how it's loose compared to that where it's really tight. I'm just loosely putting it on. Like, you can even tell that my hand is not trying so hard. There you go. And now that is the opening for that piece. The next step is to take your 3 bundle and your opening, and this is probably the hardest part. You want to hold it this way and put it like that. So it's not like this, it's like this. You want it to be perpendicular, and you're gonna slide it all the way as far as you can, but not too hard. If it gets too difficult, just stop. So I think that's a good distance. So that's why you want to make this not too strong, otherwise you're gonna snap the stick. And then you wanna get rubber band, do one side. Make sure you hold it. So when you do this, you're going to put an X, so you want to hold this side of the popsicle stick so it can be even. You want this to be decently tight, just tight enough to hold it. Like that, that's good enough. You can push it back a little bit more if you want, but don't push it too much. You don't want to break it. Make sure it's even. And then do the other side. So like this. And then just wait until they're even. So see how that's almost even? I think I just need one more. There you go. That's pretty even. I think that's, yeah, that's even. And now you have this huge piece here. And all you want to do is, this is the part where you have to explain to the child that will change how far it goes. So depending on where they put their spoon, like let's say they put it here, just for FYI, this will definitely just go directly up. And if you put it here, it'll go more forward. And I'm just going to put this here. And you get our last rubber band, put it on. Don't stretch your rubber band too hard. You just want it to be enough to hold it down. Like that. Yeah, that's good enough. And then you could do this. Another thing, if this is closer here, so depending on how loose they make this, if this is closer to the end here, it'll make it shoot more horizontally. And that's how you make the Catapult. Anyway, that's how you make the Catapult. So we're going to put this on here, the marshmallow, and fire.